bead, bid, deed, did, greed, grid, heed, hid, read, rid, ease, is, fees, fizz, freeze, frizz, bean, bin, gene, gin, green, grin, scene, sin, sheen, shin, teen, tin, eel, ill, feel, fill, heel, hill, kneel, nil, meal, mill, peel, pill, steal, still, wheel, will, bleep, blip, cheap, chip, deep, dip, heap, hip, leap, lip, sheep, ship, sleep, slip, weep, whip, beat, bit, eat, it, feet, fit, greet, grit, heat, hit, neat, knit, seat, sit, sleet, slit, wheat, wit, cheek, chick, leak, lick, peak, pick, seek, sick, weak, wick, each, itch, peach, pitch, reach, rich, feast, fist, beaker, bicker, beater, bitter, leader, litter, peeler, pillar, reason, risen, scenic, cynic, sleeper, slipper, treacle, trickle, weaker, wicker, bittersweet, chickpea, chimpanzee, disagree, 15, intermediate, intervene, millipede, millimeter, nicotine, reconsider, seasick, 16, windscreen, incomplete, reappear, a key figure, a free gift, the Grim Reaper, grit your teeth, a guilty secret, a history teacher, a complete idiot, an interesting feature, kidney disease, a field trip, a window cleaner, a kiss on the cheek, a knitting needle, the speed limit, a complete list, liver disease, mixed feelings, a complete mystery, Greek myths, pins and needles, pink cheeks, pretty easy, sick leave, skin disease, a bee sting, a piece of string, deep sympathy, the legal system, a cheap thrill, a free ticket, an ego trip, twigs and leaves, a brief visit, a frequent visitor, Swiss cheese, a written agreement, quick and easy, a string of beads, a mythical beast, a brief history, a chilly breeze, spring cleaning, whipped cream, a business deal, a deep thinker, vivid dreams, an eager listener, greasy skin, a greedy pig, recent history, visibly relieved, a winning streak, a big deal, bits and pieces, an interesting feature, spill the beans. Jill eats kidney beans. Steve didn't sleep a wink. Keep it simple, quick, and brief. A honeybee's sting kills the bee. Edith refilled her beaker with gin. Jean's a native speaker of Finnish. Tim submitted his PhD thesis on the 6th. How can we teach kids the skills they need? There's a bit of spinach between Jim's teeth. My English teacher makes a pretty decent living.